Here is how I make 200 naira in less than 2 minutes, guys. Hi guys, welcome to Online Hustlers Academy, where we diagnose the topic on how to make money online. In today's video, I'll be teaching you a step-by-step guide on how to use the platform Sidegig to make money. You know, the problem we face generally on freelancing platform, it's getting a client, getting your profile set up, getting this, getting that. I'll be teaching you this from scratch. And the beauty about this platform is that you get to start up the job. You get to do the job immediately you sign up. You don't have to wait for someone to connect you or pay money for connect, like on Upwork or the other platforms to get. So on this platform, you just sign up and that is it. Without waiting much of your time, let's jump right in.
Okay guys, after downloading the app from Play Store, you open it. It's called Sidegig. So this is my account. I have already created an account. I'll be logging out to show you guys how to create an account. So you click sign up. So after you click sign up, you put in your username, your email, your password. I will dropping my referral code on the link description of this video. Do where to use my referral code. That's how you support me from this video. All right, let's go into the video. I'll be using testing, and I would skip some parts. It's just straightforward. You can fill in your information. I need to save time on this video. I don't want to bore you with too many informations. So guys, I was having issue with the OTP password that was sent to my email. Each time I entered it keep showing me error, so I exited. After trying it about 3 times, I exited and went to log in with the credentials I've already used to create. Maybe their system was having an issue, and it worked for me. I logged in perfectly well. So in case you have issue like that, you just go and log in, but not the information you are using to create the account. And also guys, do not skip any part of this video. Make sure you are doing every step so that you don't miss it. Okay, if you miss it, you might not be able to make corrections. And try to share this video to people so that YouTube would tend to push it more to other people. That's how the algorithm work. It's going to help this channel a lot. All right, so I'm using a testing account. It's because of the purpose of this video. I already have my own account that I'm using to make money. I will show you the amount I've earned. I just created my account as well, but I'm using this to show you as an example. That is why you are seeing me typing testing and for YouTube video. All right guys. All right, account status activated successfully. This is the platform. This is how the interface look like. This is how the interface look like. This is where your profile and review are, and yes, this is your profile. So I will be showing you different categories of tasks that you'll be carrying out. You see Nigeria, Instagram, 10 naira, followers, 10 naira, just like that guys. These are tasks, micro tasks you just carry out that you do normally on daily basis on your social media. You like someone's video, you like someone's status. I will log out now to show you how my account looks like.
Okay guys, so I have carried out just 10 tasks, and I have earned a whopping sum of 145 naira. Open sum of 145 naira. Of course, I've not requested for refund withdrawal. This is where I can fund my wallet. Let's say I want to drop a tax. I want them to carry out the tax for me. I would fund my balance so that they can carry out the tax for me. Like I said, the tax is for, let's say you need a subscribers or followers on Twitter, Telegram, TikTok, IG, and so on, guys. Just name it, is there. You can create your own custom tax and ask them to do a tax for you, maybe a YouTube video tax. All right guys, so how it is done. For example, I'm going to carry out a tax on TikTok. I'll click the TikTok. I don't think I've linked to my social account. Okay, let me quickly show you that. There is a place where you link your account. You link your social account to that. This is it, social account. On that social account, this is my social media account. You see it's active. I want to add a TikTok account so I can carry out more tasks. When you add a TikTok account, you can add a YouTube account, you can add a Facebook account, you can add a Telegram account, you can add a Twitter, and so on and so forth. I'm going to add a TikTok account. Watch me add a TikTok account, guys. Yeah, this is my TikTok. On my TikTok, I would
Go back to the app and click next, then copy this code, copy the code. On this place, you go to your recent video, go to the comment section and paste the code as a comment on your comment section, then take a screenshot of it. Afterward, you go back to the app, you are going to paste the screenshot on the app and also your username. Guys, take your time, because if you do this wrongly, you will not be able to add your account. You have to start again from scratch. So my TikTok account has been added successfully. It is under review. I want to add another account. I want to add the Twitter. Let me add Twitter. Yes, it is the same process. When you get to this place, you click on next and you copy the code. Yes, when you copy the code, it will take you, go to Twitter. On your home page on Twitter, you go to your previous post on Twitter, then paste it. Once you paste it, you go to your Twitter profile, copy your username, your username, then go back there to paste. Very straightforward, guys. Also, don't forget the screenshot. It is important, because you will have to upload screenshots for confirmation. That is when their team review the screenshot, they would approve your account. Yeah, it's that straightforward. So my Twitter account has been added successfully. It is under review. Also, don't forget to follow me on Twitter, TikTok and Instagram, guys. You already see my account handles, my handles. You just go on Twitter, you follow me. Go on TikTok, follow me. I will want to engage with you guys there, and I will be leaving my link on the description of this video. So guys, this is my account. I created this account not quite long. I just saw the update and I said I would show you guys. These are the tasks that you can carry out on this platform. It is very easy and simple. What I do, I go for the high paying ones, like following on Twitter, following on Instagram. I will show you how it's done now. I'm going to click the get link. The get link will take you to the account that you want to follow. For this is the Sidegig. I'm already following it. What I do, I'll take a screenshot to prove that I'm following. I will go to submit tax proof. Once I click submit tax proof, I'll be asked to put in a screenshot and my handle, the account I used, and also the captcha. I'll just put this captcha to show that I'm not a robot. And it's very simple and straightforward. The reward of the tax would be added to your account once it is approved. So that aside, let me do another one. For this, I would use Instagram. Yeah, Instagram. And this is 10 Spain 10 hours for following. I'll click open link as usual. Once I click open link, I'll be redirected to Instagram. Then here I would follow. First of all, make sure you follow first, then take a screenshot. Quickly, I'll go back. This depends on how fast you are, guys. Your fastest finger makes more profits on time. If you're on time base, you paste your screenshots, you upload, answer the captcha, then you submit. So if you can do this very fast, you have the opportunity to make more money. And I know the money is not a lot, it is, but it is fast. This is like you can get 10 naira in less than a second, or in less than 2 minutes, 2 seconds. What am I saying? Because I did more than how many tasks. You can even check the timing that I'm using to do all these tasks. In less than a minute, you've done up to 3 or 4, 5 tasks, guys. So it's actually a good platform that can help you out, like make quick money online. Because if you want to do a freelancing, that freelancing now will take you time, and it's not a guarantee for making money. Because I have friends that have created freelancing account and they didn't pay money for Connect, and they have not been able to get any gigs, any client from Upwork and other platforms. So guys, this you are not paying any money to start. You can just sign up, create your account, and follow the procedure step by step, and you start making cash doing micro tasks that you are already doing before. So it's not a tedious task that will require specialty. You don't need any special skill to do these tasks. You don't need any special skill to follow people on social media platforms. So guys, let's continue with our video. So you see on the tax menu, there are limitless jobs to carry out, limitless you see YouTube subscribers for 20 naira. You get, there are many for just like 4 naira, for just like 3 nairas. You get, there is even a Spotify stream, and you see it for 20 naira. There are a lot of tasks here, guys. You can see Facebook, you can see TikTok, you can see Twitter, you can see IG. They are much. Even Telegram, guys. Telegram here is to join a channel on Telegram. I think I saw that for 56 naira, something like that. Yeah, I'm sure it's limitless. The list goes on and on and on and on and on. You would get tired of the tasks. You would get, believe me, you will get tired of the tasks. There are just so many. They have a full session for the YouTube, and these are the this is YouTube subscriber. I think this is for Nigeria Yoruba subscribers. You get you can even get your like target audience. You can target some certain people to like subscribe. So that is how it's done, and this is the tax session. Is where you carry out tax and earn, and you can also invite people to earn. Yeah, this is your referral link. This is your referral link. You can invite people for earnings. Yes, and there's something I would want to show you guys also. It's for to create your own task. You can create your own task and let people carry out the task, and you set an amount you want to pay for the tax. They give you the option to set an amount for your tax. And so far, this is the earnings I've earned under 14 tasks that I have done in less than 2 minutes, guys. I want to make this 200 naira above, so I need to carry more tasks. I need to do more tasks. I'm going to TikTok this time around, TikTok, and I'm following them for 10 naira. This is a Sidegig web handle. I'm going to upload the screenshot, put in my URL or captcha rather, put in my captcha, and they will approve it. So guys, everything is straightforward in the platform. How to create tags, how to earn money by doing tags, micro tags, how to earn money by referring as well. You get, so these are very simple stacks. I'm still carrying more tax. I would have to reach 200 naira above before I end this video. And then you can also try this out with your family and friends. You introduce them to it. That your younger brother that is asking you for money, you just, okay, come and do this. You always go on Twitter or Facebook to watch the trendy gist and everything. Why not use it to make money on this platform? I would show you, and you put them through. They will be grateful. Honestly, they will be grateful. I don't mean to bore you guys with this video. I think the videos get too lengthy. So what I will do is that I'll wrap up things so that this video don't get too long and bore you. So if you have any questions to ask, please make use of the comment section. It's very important, and that's why it's there. And please, you guys will engage in the video. Help me out, please, guys. I am grateful for the subscribers I've gotten so far, but I need to grow. I need the channel to grow. This channel is very young, guys. It's very young, so I want you guys to support me, and I really love you guys for all the effort you'll be putting in the video and all. And I've seen improvements. I appreciate you guys. Just as I have promised, guys, I've successfully taken the account to 215 naira, doing 17 completed tasks. And you know, as I said, I did everything in less than 2 to 3 minutes. Yeah, in less than 2 to 3 minutes. If not for the video, it won't take this long to do this task. All right, I have to put you guys through and I have to go slow so that you guys can grab. So guys, this is all for the screen time. On the next video, I will show you how to add back account to this platform so that you can withdraw your money. And share this video, let your friends and loved ones, let them get it, and don't hide updates from them, let them make money too. All right, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified on the next video on how to withdraw to your back account. And also like and share the video so that people can get this. Thank you.
So guys, we've come to the end of the video. If you find the video helpful, if you find the video entertaining, educating, please do it to like and share. It's gonna help me a lot. I mean, when you like the video, YouTube tend to share the video to more people and show people to like watch the video, so that would help the channel a lot. And I want to appreciate you all for subscribing and turning on your notification bell. I see what you guys are doing and I really do appreciate it. We've gotten to 63 subscribers. This means a lot to me. I love you guys. And as well, do it to share this video to your loved ones, your families and your friends, because I mean, it's something everybody do on social media. You like, you follow, you comment, you get. These are the little tasks, the micro jobs that you do on Sidegig. So you doing these things will help you. I'm not like, it's not a sponsored ad. This video is not paid for. I just saw it helpful and I said I should share the video and give you the update before it gets saturated. So guys, I love you all. Thanks for your support. I'll see you next one. Bye. Peace.